Your windows play a critical role in the overall comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home. However, over time, even the best windows can start to show signs of wear and tear. If you're a homeowner in West Valley City, it's important to be aware of when it's time to replace your windows to ensure your home stays comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. If you notice any of the following signs, it may be time to consider upgrading your windows. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you feel cold air near your windows during the winter or notice your air conditioning running constantly in the summer, your windows may be allowing air leakage. Over time, window seals degrade and gaps form, letting in outdoor air and causing temperature fluctuations inside your home. This not only makes your home uncomfortable but also increases your energy bills. Replacement windows, especially those with energy-efficient features like double or triple panes, low-E glass, and insulating gas fills, can improve insulation, keep the temperature inside your home stable, and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Condensation between the panes. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your windows, it's a clear indication that the seal has failed. Modern windows, especially double pane or triple pane windows, have insulating gas layers in between the panes. When these seals break, moisture can get trapped between the glass, resulting in condensation. This not only makes your windows look unsightly but also affects their energy efficiency. If your windows are showing signs of condensation between the panes, it's time to replace them. Newer windows with intact seals will improve both the appearance and performance of your home. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be frustrating, especially in emergencies when you may need to escape quickly or allow fresh air into your home. If your windows are sticking, warped, or difficult to operate, it could be a sign of damage to the frame or the window structure. This is especially common in wooden windows, which can expand and contract due to changes in temperature and humidity. If your windows are misaligned or damaged, making them difficult to operate, it's time to replace them. New windows will ensure smooth operation and greater security for your home. Visible damage and deterioration. If you notice visible damage to your windows, such as cracks, chips, or warping in the window frames, it's a strong indication that they need to be replaced. Over time, the elements, especially sun exposure, wind, and moisture, can cause wear and tear on your windows. Wooden frames may start to rot, while metal frames may rust or corrode. Windows that are damaged or deteriorating can also compromise your home's security. Cracked glass or warped frames are more vulnerable to break-ins. Replacing your windows will improve your home's security and protect your property from further damage. Increased energy bills. If your energy bills have been steadily increasing, it could be due to inefficient windows. Older windows that aren't well insulated allow heat to escape in the winter and let warm air in during the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can help lower your utility bills by reducing the amount of energy required to heat or cool your home. Look for windows with Energy Star certification, which ensures the windows meet specific energy efficiency standards. Outside noise entering your home. If you notice that your home feels noisy or that sounds from outside seem louder than usual, your windows might not be providing adequate soundproofing. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, offer little resistance to external noise. If you live near a busy street, airport, or other noisy areas in West Valley City, replacing your windows with soundproof options can help reduce unwanted noise. Double-pane or triple-pane windows are excellent choices for improving sound insulation, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Fading interiors and furniture. If your furniture, carpets, or flooring are fading due to sunlight exposure, your windows may not be offering the protection needed to block harmful UV rays. Ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun can cause damage to fabrics and discoloration over time. Many modern windows come with low E coatings that help block UV rays, protecting your interior furnishings from sun damage. If you're concerned about fading or sun damage to your furniture, upgrading to windows with UV protective coatings will help protect your belongings and keep your home looking fresh. Conclusion: time to replace your windows? Windows are one of the most important aspects of your home, affecting energy efficiency, comfort, security, and appearance. If you notice any of the signs above, such as drafts, condensation, difficulty opening and closing, visible damage, or increased energy bills, it's time to consider replacing your windows in West Valley City. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows can improve the comfort and energy efficiency of your home, increase its value, and help you save money in the long run. If you're unsure whether your windows need to be replaced, contact a trusted window professional in West Valley City to evaluate your current windows and recommend the best solution for your home.